Hi, my name is Lutz Altmann, and I'm today here on the Interpack to show our new UV laser. Why do we show now here our new UV laser? We have our new product here on the show to see and develop the stuff for more high-speed demanding applications. More and more customers are requesting more high-speed applications where we have to print variable data on the production line. So and with this new technology, we can easily and gently code the product and print these demanding applications on the substrate. So why do we show our new product here? The new product has a lot more capability than the previous product. So here we can easily integrate the system and demanding applications and also do connections to ERP systems and databases, where we can print serialized data in near real time on the production floor.